Now sometimes you see a warning that pops up here. Actually around here it will say Samsung. One of the options you see here, notifications you see is USB connector connected, and then to show again USB connector disconnected. I already fixed the problem, that's why you can see it right now. So how do I fix this? Very simple. You simply go to settings first of all, then make sure that developer option is enabled at the bottom here. If it is not, you don't have to enable this developer option. In case you do not, you tap on about phone, tap on software information, then you tap on the build number continuously until you become a developer. And once you've done that, you go back to developer options, tap on it, then you scroll down to USB debugging. Make sure it is turned on like this. Make sure it is turned on. Then after that, so it keeps going back. So after making sure it is turned on, the next thing you go to default USB configuration, put it on charging phone only. And once you've done this,